Log into the Milwood Trade Partner area using your normal login details. Once logged in, you'll see a folder called Create a Quote. Upon entering this folder, you'll see individual icons for the different system quote options. Please select the system for which you would like to prepare a new quote or modify an existing quote. Creating a new quote. When you go into this folder, you will see a previous list of quotes you've prepared. You will also see a Create New icon. Please click on this, which will then open the Quote Details template. You need to enter a saved name. This would normally be a reference for which you would recognize the quote. Typically, a customer's name is used. You'll notice as you enter any new detail, the Save icon will appear at the bottom of your screen. We recommend you save all the new details as you go along. You then need to complete the customer's details. This is important as the information will automatically populate onto the quote once you've finished. You are now into entering the system details for which you want to prepare a quote. Please select the appropriate sizes from the drop-down options. Now select the color from the drop-down options. If you select Other, you need to free type the color in the box opposite. If you know the specific RAL color code, it's best to enter this. If Victorian upgrade is required, you need to free type the quantity of base casting and gallows brackets in the appropriate boxes. Select the appropriate roof material from the drop-down. The number of posts will automatically be calculated based on the size of structure you've already entered. However, if you require additional posts, please enter the quantity of additional posts you require in the field provided. If you require additional downpipes, please enter the additional quantity required. On the lighting section, please select from the drop-down where the lighting is required. If a remote control lighting unit is required, please select from the drop-down. If you require heaters, please free type in the quantity required. You are now in the canopy price section. You will see individual prices for the options you've selected. This is the buying price from Milwood after your discount has been applied. You will also see a canopy price. This is the total price with all the extras added on the canopy-only price. You can now enter the selling price section. This provides you with the facility to free type into the individual boxes the price you want to sell these products for. You need to add the prices into all the boxes with an asterisk, as this will automatically calculate the canopy price. All these values will pull through onto the Word quote template. If you now go to the top of this template, you'll see the facility to download quote. Once you select this, you'll be asked to open, which will then open into a Word document. Check over the details on this document to ensure it's all correct. If you need further changes, please close this document down and it will take you back to the quote template. Repeat the above process until your quote is correct. You can now email a copy of this quote to your customer. If you want to delete a quote for whatever reason, please select the Open icon and you will immediately see a Delete icon which you need to select. The system will ask, "Are you sure?" and you select Yes. Modify existing quote. When you go into this folder, you'll see a previous list of quotes you've prepared. You now have the facility to modify any existing quotes you've done. You do this by selecting the Open icon next to the quote details you want to change. The quote you originally prepared will appear on your screen. You can now make the changes you require. Once you've made the changes you require, you must select the Save button. This will now update the system with the changes you've made. You can select the Save button after every change you make. You don't have to wait until all the changes are done. Once all the changes are done and saved, you then select the Download Simplicity Quote icon, and your modified quote will open up in a Word document. Check over the details on this document to ensure it's all correct. If you need further changes, please close this document down and it will take you back to the quote template. Repeat the above process until your quote is correct. You can now email a copy of this quote to your customer. If you want to delete a quote for whatever reason, please select the Open icon and you will immediately see a Delete icon, which you need to select. The system will ask, "Are you sure?" and you select Yes. Happy quoting!